How to find an educational app development company. The education sector worldwide is thriving because of the presence of so many e-learning app solutions. Via an online educational app, anyone can get the desired education. That is the reason makes educational apps are trending. If you also want to have an educational app for your institution, then this video will be helpful for you. What is education app development? Educational app development refers to the mobile or web application developed for imparting education. These apps allow the students to join their preferred courses online. Features that you can add to your educational software. Hiring an education app development company is the best thing, but before you proceed to decide, you need to prepare a short list of features that can make your app unique. So here is the list of features. Content management system. It facilitates the teachers to manage the content. Search and access. Students can search their desired course and teachers. Course creation and management. This is a very helpful feature for teachers as they can create their content and upload it on the app. User and admin dashboard. User admin and dashboard will help users see their profile and all the courses they opted for in one place. Video library. Via video library, students can access desired video lectures related to their course. Video playlist. Students can make their customized playlist of lecture videos uploaded by faculty. Podcasts. Not only videos, but students can also listen to subject-related podcasts. Online quizzes. Students can join quizzes, or teachers can upload their specific quizzes. What points do you need to consider while hiring educational app development? There are many things that you must consider before hiring an on-demand app development company. These are the following. Experience. First, you need to check what kind of experience education app developers have. Success rate. What is their success rate? Sustainability. What sustainable approach do they use? Time efficiency. Are they capable of developing the app segments on decided time? On-time delivery. They will deliver your app on time? Cost effective. Are they capable of developing cost-effective solutions? If the answer is yes, then it would be best to hire shortlisted mobile app developers.